Everyone, welcome to Parda Live. This is me, Aniko Magan. Just now I watched Ganda the Goody. Yeah, Ganda the Goody, a teaser or an introduction teaser starring one and only, and I think we have to remember him for our in our life. I think in remembrance of fondly called power star Puneet Rajkumar. So it's a sad fact that he's no more with us in this particular point of time and in this particular world that we are living in. But he'll be always in our heart, and he will be forever with his wonderful deeds he has done for the society and for Kannada cinema and for everyone. No? He's been an amazing human being, and whatever I heard about him, it's still in my ears. I think I'll take them forever because we have to look up to heroes. We have to look up to inspiration like Puneet Rajkumar. So Puneet Rajkumar sir, salute for whatever you had been doing, and salute for you for making this dream project of yours that is directed by Amogha Varsha. The film is called Ganda the Goody. So I think it evolves with some kind of spiritual adventure, and it has that man versus wild kind of a vibe to it with the teaser. So the teaser has amazing BGM by B. Ajanish Loknath. He's a famous Kannada music composer. He has composed in Kannada cinema a lot, and the DOP, the director of photography, Pratik Shetty, has also done rich colors here. Amazing visuals, breathtaking visuals. I must say that you will feel like you're watching something out of Discovery Channel. You will feel like you're watching something out of National Geographic Channel. So those things are amazingly done. And you have to give it to the producer. That is again Puneet Rajkumar sir. I think words are not enough for the passion he had for cinema and the love he had for people, and his humility, his humbleness. We can keep on talking about it. But right now we are limited to talk about Ganda the Goody, so which is going to release in 2022. I don't know when it is going to release, but it will release at the theaters, I'm damn sure, and it will be very emotional for all his fans, including us. So quite excited, and at the same time it's a sad fact here because someone has made a dream project of himself which is already shot, which is realized, because some people know when they make films, no, it becomes unrealized or they could not complete it or it is shelved. But with Puneet Rajkumar sir, Ganda the Goody is a project which he has completed shooting, which almost most of the parts are completed shooting, and almost it's 99% done. Only thing, it might not be edited or it might not be fully shown to him. So that's a sad fact, and we have to wait for the official film to release, and we'll go and watch it at the theaters whenever it releases. And we have to celebrate this film called Ganda the Goody, which will release in Kannada and all other Indian languages. So please go and watch this particular teaser. You will feel nice, and salute to Puneet Rajkumar sir for what all he has been doing. So thank you guys. Bye.